Welcome to episode 25 of Speak Japanese in 5 Minutes. You know, Kei-sensei, I was looking at my old flight tickets earlier, and it reminded me of how terrifying it is to step off the plane in Japan for the first time. You're just surrounded by signs you can't read.
Oh, I totally get it, Leo. Even for me, a new airport can be a bit stressful, but don't worry, the key is just to recognize a few key words. In Japanese, airport is kuku and airplane is hikuki. When you land at Narita or Haneda, those are the first words you'll see everywhere on the big blue signs.
Kuko and Hikoki. Got it. So I should look for those characters.
Exactly. Let's make sure our listeners can spot them. Try saying kuku. And now hikuki.
Right. And my biggest panic is always the baggage claim. I'm always convinced my bags went to a completely different country. How do you even find that area?
Ah, the great luggage mystery. It's a classic travel worry. The word for your baggage in general is nimotsu. If you want to be specific, a suitcase is a loan word from English, so we say sutsukesu.
Ah, so Nimotsu is the main one to remember for the signs, I guess.
That's right. And for the claim area, you need to look for a slightly longer sign. It says tenimotsu ketorizio.
Whoa, hold on. Te nimotsu? I know te means hand from our body parts episode. Is that hand baggage?
Exactly, Leo. Good catch. Your Japanese memory is getting so good. Te is hand, so tenimotsu is hand luggage, and yuketerizio is the pickup place. Okay, let's practice. First, the general word for all your bags, nimotsu. And now, the full sign for the baggage claim area, tenimotsu uketerizio.
That makes so much sense. Okay, so I grab my Nimotsu, and then I just want to escape into the city. But finding the actual exit in those massive terminals is like a maze.
Ha ha ha, I know that feeling. You just want to get to your hotel. To escape the maze, you need to follow the signs for the exit. In Japanese, that's deguchi. It's usually on a bright yellow sign, so it's easy to spot. If you are completely lost, you can just ask someone for help.
Oh, like using our old phrase, doko desu ka? How would I ask where the exit is?
Perfect recall, Leo. You use that exact phrase. You would walk up to someone, maybe a staff member, and ask, Sumimasen, deguchi wa doko desu ka? It's polite and gets straight to the point.
That's good to know. So even if I'm flustered, that one phrase is my key to freedom?
Exactly. It's your key. So let's practice it. First, just the word for exit, deguchi. Great. And now the full question to find it. Deguchi wa doko desu ka?
Amazing. What about before all that? The passport control line always feels so intimidating.
It does look intimidating with all the officials in uniforms, doesn't it? But it's usually very smooth. The word for passport is another easy one from English, pasupoto. When it's your turn, the officer will likely just smile and ask for it politely. You'll hear them say pasupoto wo onegaishimasu, which means passport please.
Okay, so I just hear that and hand over my passport. Simple.
That's it. Let's practice. First, the word for passport, pasupoto. And the polite request you will hear, pasupoto wo onegaishimasu. Since we're chatting about it, let's do a quick mental check of your airport survival kit, Leo. Ready?
Let's do it. My brain is ready for the test.
All right, let's lock these in. I'll say the English word, and you at home, try to say the Japanese word out loud before I do. First one, airport. Kuko. Did you get it? Okay, next one, airplane. Hikoki. Good. Now, the word for all your bags, luggage. Nimotsu. And last one, your ticket to freedom, exit. Deguchi.
This is so much better. Next time I land at Haneda, I'm going straight for that Deguchi like a pro. Thanks, Kei-sensei. Next time on episode 26, we're keeping the travel vibes going. We'll talk about hotels and checking in. We'll learn how to ask for your room key and navigate the lobby smoothly.
皆さん、またね。